Hey guys, it's Allison here, and I have just picked up my September card kit from Simon Says Stamp. Whew. Something escaped. So we'll start with this. Simon Says Stamp embossing powder, and it is, it says ultrafine mermaid. Look how pretty that is. All sparkly and blue. And that should give you a hint of what this card kit is all about. You've got a blue sucker this time. Okay, 2 Distress Oxide inks. Love the Distress Oxide ink. So we've got Stormy Sky and Tumbled Glass. And also a full-size watermark ink. So like a Versamark, but this is Simon Says Stamp's own brand. Got a couple of envelopes. So these ones are a little bit shiny. Got a purple one and a white one. Pack of different sized gold sequins. Some blue glitter paper. Fabulous. Goes really nicely with the embossing powder. And then this is the stamp set. So it is all mermaids. Beauty comes from within. See treasure in the simple things. There are a million fish in the sea, but you are a mermaid. Always be yourself, unless you can be a mermaid. So fabulous. Happy birthday, mermaid. Make a wish upon a starfish. So yeah, lots of fun things, lots of images to color, and fussy cut and all that kind of good stuff. I don't know if there's a die set to go along with these. I keep meaning to look that up, and I don't get around to it, I guess. So, but that would make things a lot simpler, I think, to have a die set to cut out those mermaid shapes, and also the little ones. So that is about it. We've got a few sheets of cardstock. There's no pattern paper this time because of all the inks and things and the embossing powder. We do have this one sheet of special paper, and it's almost like water. So that's the back side. It's like iridescent, and hopefully the camera is picking up that texture in there. Looks like water. And then a sheet of the heavyweight white. And that's it. And of course, your inspirations sheet. Okay, guys, so that is the September kit. I know there's no pattern paper, but it is full of stuff. I mean, look at all this stuff you get. It's awesome. Full-size ink pads. Those alone are a lot of money. So I'm going to have some fun creating lots of cards with this. And again, my goal is to use every single image on here. I am, full confession here, I am still working on my September card kit. My August card kit. This is September. It's just been kind of a busy month. It's summer and I'm working again and all this kind of stuff. And I'm having, I guess, more difficulty working with the kit than I anticipated. Also, I had some technical difficulties where I had filmed some of the cards being put together, and then they were all corrupted. And so I kind of threw up my hands and said, never mind, and I deleted all the videos. But I do have those cards that I will share in a future post on my website and on Instagram. I just need to take some photos of them. Okay, but I think I haven't made my 10 cards out of that kit, but I think I'm going to put it away anyways and move on. I just need to kind of have a fresh start, and getting a new kit in allows me to do that. So look for new cards with this kit coming soon. Thanks, guys. Have a good day. Bye.